Welcome back to part 5 of this modded series. So now I have what we need for, well, to get milk set up. I just need to go find cows, which is a lot easier said than done because this world is strange and I might not be able to find any, but I am just gonna go this way. Try to find cows. I'm gonna fly there. In the interest of time, I'm just going to fly there. Oh, there's two. Okay, I was wrong. Oh, that's a Y. That's still the two dragons in the sky. Not really my pets, but they're just around. I thought cows would be a lot more difficult to find, but I was incorrect. I don't need pigs. Just one more cow. I can go back. My world is home to many strange chunk borders. Just try to ignore it. Well, don't ignore it because I don't know really, but I've grown accustomed to them. I think they give the world character, but I have to say the worst thing about this version is the endless oceans. Oceans, oceans, oceans. Oh, Minecraft 1.6.4 oceans. Why are you so big? The oceans in this version, they go on for thousands and thousands and thousands of blocks. Thousands of blocks. The oceans. It's strange. I mean, I don't really have too much. I have a lot of land, but just huge gaps of ocean in between them. About 12. See over there, the warehouse 2 mark, 12,000 blocks that way, currently sits in the middle of the ocean. And about maybe about 7,000 or 6,000 blocks before warehouse 2 is the end of the land, where I have a train yard, and then I just went straight about maybe like 6,000, 5,000 more blocks until I hit land, and you can see how well that turned out because I'm still in the middle of the ocean. I could have sworn I just saw a cow. Anyway. Come on. One more. One cow. Okay. One cow is all I asked. That quick? Nice. Let me go get 6 more, but I'm not going back to that other place. I'm going way out. Where should I go to? I'm trying to figure out a place. Go here. I'm just going to go this way. If you're wondering why no hostile mobs spawn, it's because of something that I messed up a few years ago. And so now I don't get hostile mob spawns, which I'm not happy about, believe me. I'm really not happy about it. I wish I had mob spawns, but I don't know how to re-enable it. What we have here are two old quarries from 2018, I'd have to say. 2019 maybe, but yeah. What is this? Huh. I hear a pig, but I don't want a pig. I want cows. Okay. One. 2. 3. Oh shit. 3. 4. Look at this place. Let's do a little bit of urban exploring. Rickety old place. Come on. 2 more cows. 2 more cows is all I ask. Right back where I started. I don't come over here this often. See, all the most of the stuff is in the southern and western part of the world. Not so much the eastern and northern. crap. Oh, shit. It's a lava cast that I made. You guys, anyone who watches this, you ever heard of a 2B2T? Well, I've watched a few videos about 2B2T, and what I know, what I can see very clearly is the amount of lava casts. So I thought I'd try to make my own lava cast. Goodness. Holy shit. Very good. Can't believe this. I come back to this. Oh my god, this murder. Goodness me. So many. Still so many though. This is murder. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Goodness me. It's way too much for my liking. All that's gonna do is lag out the map. With these feathers I can make arrows. But I don't need to make arrows because I don't need to make arrows. Really don't. Will this still build up eventually? Now I need somewhere to store it. God damn it. Sorry. Anyone ever watch a TV show called iZombie? That's where that theme is from. The song that I just played. It's the theme song for the show. Anyway, I got 2 minutes left on this recording, and that'll be the end of this episode. Alright. Just gotta check my systems here. This is where I get all my water from. I can access this water from anywhere.